Hey everybody, it's the Boston Startup Lawyer, and if you are a creator, this is a video you definitely do not want to miss. Today we're going to be talking about Sora, a new product launched by OpenAI this past week, and it has the potential to be completely revolutionary. So let's get into it right now. First up, let's talk about Sora. OpenAI has done it again, folks. They've created an AI that can generate videos from text. Imagine typing a cat playing piano in space and voila, you've got a music video that's out of this world. But as cool as that sounds, it's not all smooth sailing in the sea of creativity. Sora's capabilities are impressive, but they come with a disclaimer. It's not perfect. It might mix up left and right or forget to leave a bite mark on that cookie. So if you're planning to use Sora for your next blockbuster, you might want to keep an eye on those details. But of course, this is a legal channel. So let's talk about the legal labyrinth that may be in store for Sora and other products from OpenAI and other companies that provide generative AI for people to use. Let's wade into the murky waters of copyright law. Now, the U.S. Copyright Office has been hosting listening sessions to understand the impact of AI on creative fields. They're all ears, trying to figure out how to handle AI-generated works. And let's be honest, the law is playing catch-up with technology here. Generative AI is like a teenager. It's growing fast, it's unpredictable, and it's causing a lot of headaches for the legal guardians. Companies using AI need to tread carefully to avoid stepping on copyright landmines. And with AI like Sora, the question of who owns the copyright to the videos it generates is as clear as mud. So let's talk about the copyright conundrum. Imagine this. You use Sora to create a video and it is a hit, goes viral. But then someone claims copyright infringement because the AI used a snippet of their work in the training data. Who's liable? Is it you? Is it OpenAI? Is it the AI itself? Spoiler alert, AI can't own copyrights because it's not a legal entity. So the buck stops with the humans. In this case, that will be either you or OpenAI. And let's not forget about deepfakes. Sora's videos are so lifelike that they could be used to create convincing fake news or impersonate someone. It's a field day for misinformation, and the law is scrambling to put on its running shoes. Now, the use of AI to generate videos raises several potential copyright issues. One of the main concerns is whether AI-generated works can be copyrighted. The U.S. Copyright Office has been examining the impact of AI on copyright law, including the scope of copyright in works generated using AI tools and the use of copyrighted materials in the AI training. However, the office has stated that works containing AI-generated content are not copyrightable without evidence of human contribution. And it is not clear yet if they are going to consider the person typing in the prompt as that human contribution. Another issue is the use of copyrighted materials in the training of AI models. Companies like OpenAI have faced lawsuits alleging that their AI models, such as ChatGPT, were trained on copyrighted works without consent. This raises questions about liability when AI uses snippets of copyrighted work in its outputs. While some companies argue that they are protected by fair use doctrine, this is a contentious and unsettled matter. Deepfakes created by AI, which can convincingly impersonate individuals, also present legal challenges. Unauthorized deepfake ads can violate a celebrity's right of publicity and create copyright infringement issues if they use copyrighted material without permission. In summary, the potential copyright issues surrounding the use of AI to generate videos include, number one, determining whether AI-generated works can be copyrighted, with current guidance suggesting that human contribution is necessary for copyrightability, but without clear guidance on what constitutes sufficient human contribution. Number two, addressing the use of copyrighted materials in training AI models, which has led to lawsuits against companies like OpenAI. And number three, navigating the right of publicity and avoiding unauthorized use of individuals' likenesses in AI-generated content, particularly in the use of deep fakes. These issues indicate a complex legal landscape that is still evolving as AI technology advances and becomes more integrated into the creative process. So the future is now, but it's definitely complicated. As we look to the future, we see a world where AI could potentially replace human actors, writers, and maybe even lawyers, but let's hope not. The implications for employment and copyright are huge. Do we need new laws to protect the humans in the loop? How do we ensure that artists are compensated for their work that's being used to train these AIs? These are questions that the law, the U.S. Copyright Office, and possibly the government are going to have to answer, likely in the very near future. So, if you found this information helpful, please like and subscribe and let me know, what are your thoughts about OpenAI, about Sora, about copyright issues, and about the use of this AI technology to create videos. Thanks for tuning in. And as always, this is the Boston Startup Lawyer signing off. See you next time.